Hey, I'm Phil, and in this video I try my hand at some pretty hideous, horrendous steel fabrication to replace a part that is no longer sold. So that's a caveat when buying tools off Craigslist that are older. Sometimes they don't continue making the parts for these bad boys. They just write discontinued and you can't get it anywhere else. So in this case I snapped the cast iron part that supports the lift mechanism for the blade height adjustment. And so I had to make my own, and that's what this video is about. So let me know what you think. If anybody else has this issue, I'd love to hear about it and how you solved it. Like, subscribe, share, comment, be kind. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment, be kind. Thanks, guys.